Welcome back to my channel. If you have not seen me before, my name is Tuja and I make DIY home decor videos. Those type of videos usually include thrifting, DIYing, refurbishing, and sometimes just coming up with my own ideas. If you like to watch those type of videos, or if you like to do those type of craft, you will absolutely enjoy the videos that I have posted on my channel. Don't forget to check out other videos on my channel after this video. Let me get started with today's project. This video is a little bit different than I usually make. It is about stitching and sewing. So my mom is actually into that. She tried a lot that I learned that too, but I never really developed interest in that. Fortunately, I know some basic stuff, and recently I was scrolling through Instagram and TikTok, and I was constantly getting suggested videos for stitching and sewing, how to make hair scrunchies, how to make hair ties, hair bows, and I got inspired from that and I realized maybe I can make that. I know how to make that. So I got this machine from Walmart. Luckily, it was on a Black Friday sale, so I got a good deal. So I tried my hands onto that. While I was trying my hands onto stitching, I came up with really super large scrunchies because they are really easy to make and like it looks really beautiful. Once I could make one, I literally made 9 or 10. All look amazing. I got scrap clothing from one of the clothing store we have. They had some unused fabric that they were going to throw out, so I went there and grabbed a few pieces from them. Altogether, all $10, and they were really nice fabric and really nice colors. So I got that. So all in all, this DIY probably made in less than $15 because all I had to do is buy this machine. It came out really beautiful. I literally made 10 or 12 out of them, and I'm planning to give it away to my friends and family. In this whole video, I probably won't be speaking much, but it's for you to enjoy, kind of like ASMR stitching and sewing videos. So you will definitely enjoy, and let's get started. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe onto them because that will help me a lot to create my own YouTube community. So once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.